Guys, all obliterated Grandpa. Now he's killed his mom. Oh, this is grim. This is really grim. Okay, catch the ball now. Catch the ball. You might get a taste
sorry,
of
it's
medicine
night
right
time.
now. Here we
My
go.
voice is very
Catch.
croaky.
That ball was very heavy. Now, what have I told you? The last stunt didn't go well, did it? You end up impaled by the chin. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Don't do any more extreme sports involving knives. We got Grandpa going for a run. Go,
What's
Grandpa.
little cheek?
You okay? Yes. Oh, my leg. I need water. I'm gonna die. What? Someone give him water. Give me water. Give him water. Is he gonna die? Or are you just gonna sit there? Okay. I'm out of here, Grandpa. See you later. That was awesome. Thanks for your lesson. Oh no, it's back. Pogo fight from the previous video. Oh my goodness. Right, let's try and kill these guys. Good stuff. No, we don't, man. We've seen how you can kill everyone else, so I'm a little bit worried, actually. Here we go. Ah! Wow. Yes. No. I'm dead. Oh. I'm coming for you, small child. Here we go. Oh, jeez. We are connected by face. Tell me a story. We have to aim with a pogo stick, so... Oh, jeez. Come on, just get rid of that axe. Don't play with sharp objects. Jeez. Give me your money, says Grandpa. No, I will not give you my money. Oh, maybe I will. You can just raise my pocket. Oh, I've lost my helmet. I've got to try and do this without head protection now. Oh, Jesus, it's going to go well, is it? What even happened there? Yes. Oh, jeez. I thought I was going to get Grandpa at the same time. Right, here we go. Grandpa. I am coming for you when I stop doing the work. You stop, Pogo Man. Behave yourself. It's not behaving yourself. Grandpa, I'm ready for you. There we go. No. Oh, I thought I died. Right, I'm past you. I will not give you my money. You will give me yours. Headbutted him straight in the face. Okay, Indiana. You're pathetic, huh? I didn't mean to do that. I'm sorry. Get off my butt. Indiana, this is your time to die. Grandpa. This is slightly awkward. You need to clean your feet. Grandpa, you sit there and behave yourself. Okay, what have I told you about getting involved in my business? Right. I'm gonna get Indiana out of here.
Are they staying here tonight?
Okay.
No, I just finished it.
Is Kelly staying here tonight? Are you collecting Kelly in the morning? Are you collecting Kelly in the morning?
No.
Pogo Master. Okay, here's the plan. Retract the.
So what are you doing? Are you staying here?
Yes. It's
so Kelly will be going with you.
It's in my butt, right? I will win. No. You will make it. Whether your torso doesn't or not. Get over that finish line now. Come on. No. I don't believe this. His bum is rocking on the finish line. Oh, get off me. Get off me right now. It's not my fault you've lost a shoe, okay? Right, it's time. No! I made it, come on. Yes! I didn't even expect to finish that. But I did it! Welcome to the Blue Pogo Course. I feel like this should have weights. Activate relaxing music. That's better. Every scene seems just like really nice and nice and relaxed. I'm worried for your safety. Your head is on one side, but your body's on another. Dare I press a button? Okay. Nice and relaxed. Just a little pogo with extra skills. Nothing too bad. There we go. Past level 1. It's kind of like Fluffy Bird, but less than fantastic. Here we go. Come on. Don't make me mad. The relaxing music is there for a reason. Yes. Perfect. Okay, right, let's get through here. Here we go. Yeah.
Guys, after this one, I'm turning this off.
Relax. Just get through the hole and relax. There we go. Yes. Okay, that was easy. Let's try lip skills. Oh my goodness, let's try some harder ones. No, relax the music. It's not gonna make me mad. It's gonna be absolutely fine. Let's just roll on through. Look at this. A snail in its natural habitat. yourself. Stop hitting the wall. There we go. Just roll like you're born to. Look at that. Absolutely. There we go. How do we get through there? What do you think I am? A snake? I'm a snail. I'm a snail, not a snake. Or maybe I'm a snake.